Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitchin' with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody is having a great Saturday and a great weekend. Well, as you can see, we have another unbagging. That means we have a review. So let's find out what's in the bag. I got strings everywhere. I did finally find my orange scissors. You know where they were? They were right over there in some place where I never ever put them. Awesome, huh? That's the way things work here. Alright, so we have two stamped cross stitches, and this comes from OneDaySaving. So I guess we'll just start at the top. Let me get this out of its bag. Alright, I am back. So this is the picture. It has oranges, and there's pumpkin, and little pumpkins, and just all things orange, I guess. And we got some red flowers. And it is a 53 by 66. This is huge. It was $13.57. Comes with kind of a sticker paper. And it has, we'll show you this first. The instructions on how to start, how to finish. It's a full page. There's nothing on the back. Put that over there. And I'm not sure what company this was made by. It is 187 by 244. There's your product number. It's kind of done a little bit different, but everything's all on one page. So top part's here. And the bottom part is down here. And it looks to be all regular cross stitch. Let's see what colors we have here. Oh my goodness. No 310 black. That's kind of a first. We do have 823 dark blue and 939. And that 995 and 996 are those two shades of turquoise. And no 3371. We do have 3770, which is that butter color. And we have 3865 for the white. So, yeah, that's about all I can see that I know. So, we'll look. But a very nice pattern, I'm sure. Now, I will check. But I do not think, no. The pattern, the paper pattern does not match the canvas. So let's take a look at the colors. Let me lay this up there. It comes with an extra bag of thread. Very nice. So you got pinks, oranges, turquoise. That might actually be one of those 996 or 995s. Nice cream color. So we're using a lot of that, but look, hang on, something dropped and I'm not sure what it was. Hang on, I'm trying to get everybody undone. Maybe. Look at all the scrumptious colors. We have tans. I don't know, that's kind of a pale peach and a peach. Then we have like a golden color. Very nice. But look. If I can get it apart. Maybe that was a toolkit. That's all I can think of. Hang on. Turquoise, pinks. There's your 939. But bright greens, bright turquoise. Gorgeous, gorgeous colors. And then on this side, not to be outdone, look at all those bright, beautiful colors. Isn't that gorgeous? It just screamed summer. Very nice. Very, 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 very nice. I do like that. And it's on a thread card. Yay! And the crowd goes wild. Did I tell you how many colors there were? I'm so silly. We're having a day. 40 colors in this. So yeah. you have 2 needles right there. Let me look. Let me put you on hold. All right, I thought something fell. So we have a toolkit. It has 4 needles, poof ball thimble, and needle threader. So we'll put that up there so it doesn't escape again. Let me move this other canvas out of the way and see if we can open this up. All right. Holy cow. It is serged all the way around. There's your needles. Let's see what it says here at the bottom. Anything? Oh, it has the product number here and how many squares per square, 187 by 244. This looks very nice, very plain, very easy to do. I do not see any kind of, what do you call it, confetti at all. And I'm so happy that the threads are on a thread card. You have no idea. Very nice. And the serging goes right down the edge, does not go into the numbers. And these symbols are all different from the paper pattern. So let me see if I can measure this puppy. We're just running into everything today. All right, this way it is approximately 64 and, oh, just tad over 64. Tad over 64, or 25 1/4 inches. And this way, it's almost 51.5 centimeters, or 20 1/4 inches. And actual size is about 42.5 centimeters, or 16 3/4 inches by, get a hold of it, 56.5 centimeters, or a little over 22 1/4 inches. So it's fair good size, but this would be the perfect one for someone that's starting out, because it's just straight stitching. There's big areas, so you get plenty of practice. So yeah, but I loved all them colors. It was just absolutely gorgeous. All right. Let's see. Now let's do the next one. The next one is 48 by 40. It is a Joy Sunday, as you can see, and it was $9.14. Oh, before I go any further, if One Day Savings has any specials, or if I have a discount code, it'll be in the beginning and also in the description box below. But I just wanted to get that all out because I forgot to say. So this is an 11 count, not a 14 count. Isn't he cute? With all his tulips and his butterflies. I thought he was awesome. I just loved it. But 48 by 40, you know, in your brain you just don't know. I don't know. I can't comprehend sizes some days. All right. So it has 30 full colors. It has full stitch, French knot, and back stitch. Back stitch looks to be around some of the tulips and the butterfly, and the French knots look like they're on the antennae of the butterflies. But very nicely done. Paper pattern will not match canvas. It's got 4 colors in back stitch. So we have 310 black, no 823, no 939, no 3371. It's using B50-200 for the white. French knots are in 310 black. Back stitching in 310, 349, 3033, and 3607. That doesn't mean much to me. So, very nice. It's 170 by 134. Let's take a look. Very nice canvas. Let's take a look at all those. Excuse me. I've been sneezing for 2 days because the wind was just horrible yesterday. Just absolutely everywhere. Alright, so it does have 2 needles here, so it won't have a toolkit. But look at those reds, pinks, greens. Got pale green, kind of a greenish yellow. Then over here we have orange, fuchsia, like a rose color, and a pale pink. And there's your B5200. Very nice. Very, very nice. Beautiful colors for those tulips. Yeah, I had to get something springy, Easterish. Yeah, so let's put that up there. Got a few little straggling tails here. Give me a sec. That's kind of unheard of for Joy Sunday. Usually they're much neater than that. But it is an 11 count. Yay! And I got her upside down. Nope, it goes sideways. My bad. Yeah. It's a partial, so you don't do this background. You don't do this background white. Very nice. Very easy to do. That's 2 kits that are very, very easy to do. It does have the product number at the top, and it says the rabbit and tulips. Nice, big, beautiful key running along the bottom. Very easy to see canvas and all the symbols. There isn't a lick of confetti in this at all. So another one for a newbie. I'm looking for my tape measure. So it is 48 centimeters or 19 inches by 39.5 centimeters or 15.5 inches. Actual picture size is, I'm going to call it at 12 inches or 30, where'd it go? 30.5? Yeah, 30.5 centimeters by, almost 15.5 or 39.5 centimeters. So yeah, this is going to be beautiful. And the back stitching, we can, hang on, I had to roll up my thing, is going to be pretty nominal. You've got some in his fur, and then some around here, around the butterfly, so that's just basic. And then just a little bit around the edges of the tulips, and not the leaves, so very easy to do. There's a little bit of back stitch on his nose and his eye. But yeah, very easy to do, so if you're new to cross stitch and back stitching, you can get practice. So very, very nice. Thank you so much, OneDaySaving, for these 2 gorgeous, gorgeous kits. Love them. Love them, love them. Now, OneDaySaving, hang on. Give me a sec. OneDaySaving usually has free shipping on orders over, I think it's $50 if it's changed or anything. All that detail will be beginning and in the description box. They have diamond painting, cross stitch, and paint by number. They also do custom. They have paper quilling. They have tools and crafts for everything. Yeah, they always have a lovely selection. I just love their store. I have ordered from them personally, and everything goes right down the line. They're very professional and will get back to you and try to solve a problem. Very, very nice. Thank you, OneDaySaving, once again for these 2 beautiful kits. And thank you, everyone, for watching today. I had some on my, I think it was a piece of plastic was stuck to my arm. Thank you, everyone, for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe, stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye.